Hello friends, today I'm in the field and you can see the mustard flowers are blooming. A very beautiful look at this time, and I will talk about English learning, and I thought that I should sit on a beautiful environment where the natural beauty you can see in background. These are the mustard flowers blooming, and very beautiful look. I'm sitting just on the ground in my field, and because I was seeing that beautiful scenery, so I thought that I should make video on this location, and hope that you are enjoying while watching this video. You are listening English and also viewing the beautiful scenery behind. So friends, I think that if you are a beginner in English language and you want to improve yourself in English speaking, then I think that speak English on all situations. Right now, as I told you, that I'm sitting in a field on a ground, and as I told you about, I discussed about flowers. In this way, when we go on different locations, we will find different kind of items there, and we would come to know the English of those items. In other way, we are not able to understand what is the proper English of this word or this situation. So I think that plan your trips on different locations, and when you will visit on different locations, you will find different kind of things, different kinds of happenings, and in this way you can discuss on those happenings. You can also come to know the new words, new things and their English language, and where there you find any kind of difficulty. Right now social media is in your hand. You can search the meaning of that item in your dictionary, or you can make the translation of that difficult sentence or things. Because as I'm discussing in this video, I was planning to sit here and make the video, but in previous time I knew the English of mustard, but on the spot I have forgotten. On the spot when I came here, and I thought that I should make a video on these flowers. I should discuss a little about these flowers. But I had forgotten the English of mustard. Then when I searched the meaning, then I found, and I thought that I already knew the English of this flower. But I had forgotten because of the lack of the practice. In the same way, when you would not do the practice, you will forget the words. Those are the part of your memory in previous time. You will have to make the use of those words. Otherwise, you will forget those words in future. So, after small intervals, you should speak or talk about all things. As I told you, that go on different locations, visit on different sites. In this way, you will come to know the new words and their meanings, and you will, I think that memorize the new things, new words and their meanings from your national language to English language. Sometimes we don't know the English of some specific item, then we have to search the meaning of that from our national language to English. So I think that in this way you will improve yourself in better way. So here is my suggestions for you, that visit on different locations, and while visiting speak English language, and where there you find any kind of difficulty, you can get the help from social media. Or if for instance, for example, if I don't know the English of this, if I don't know the English of this specific flower, and then how can I elaborate this? I am talking in English language. I don't know the English of this specific flower. Then I will say that this is the flower, and from this flower oil is also produced, which we commonly used in our hair, and the leaves of this flower is used to bake some vegetables, and also you can feed this flower to your animals, and in this way the other will understand that this is the mustard flower. And you know that mustard oil often used in hair, mostly all others oils are also used, but mustard oil is commonly used for the growth of hair in different parts of country, or in village areas or cities area, all over. So in this way, where there you find any kind of difficulty, I think that you can elaborate that thing in different way. When you don't know the English of someone, some items, no matter, don't feel any kind of tension. Mostly those people who are non-native don't know the English of each and everything. They elaborate, they make the you can say that they make the translation, or they can make other person understand by their you can, as I told you about this flower. So in this way you can also make others understand what you are willing to say. I myself, I don't know the English of each and everything. Sometimes I know the English of some items, but I forget. When I search the meaning of that word from dictionary, then I found that then I find that, oh, I already knew the English of this word. So the problem is that we lack the practice, or we are not living in that environment where the English is the first language. We are not surrounded by English language. We speak our national language all the time, and at some times we speak the English language. So it is difficult for us, because everybody around us is speaking the national language. No one is speaking English language. In this way we lack the practice, and when we lack the practice we forget the words. So no matter, try to make other understand by different way, as I make the English of this flower. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos, and give your positive feedback below in comment box, so that we would make our next video according to your suggestions. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.